close! It's the finale!
Yes!
Where's my victory? Game? Unfreeze! Opila Bird fell! Who is this guest? Opila! It's like you have been to hell and back! Let me fix you up! Scalpel incision! Opila slime! Gotta clean it all up! You clearly don't belong in here! Let's stitch you back! We'll do an Opila cleaning! You look brand new! Monster serum charge! My patient is up and about! What is it now?
What?
Where am I? Where are they? Could it be here? No! Not here either! Must be somewhere else! Thanks! What are you looking for? My kids! Your what? My babies! Mom is coming! The trick is, I gotta leave this world! I need to be back inside the game! What are you doing? Birds are stupid, man! The game is calling me! Take me back! Oh my! Holy feathers! That's nuts! I couldn't care less! I still want to play! What? The game fails without all the characters? Whatever! I'll watch TikTok! Here it is! One of the missing characters! Gotta go there! Right off! Get off me! Keep it down! Why are you so loud? Help me! The more likes you hit under this video, the quieter Bird's voice will be. It's doing the trick. What's up? We have Opila Bird. Great! Time to activate my hunting drone. The Opila hunt is on! Where's Jumbo Josh at? That's who will help us! Look what I found! Shake him out of there! Hey, Pokemon! I'll give it a shot! Where did my screen go? I did turn off your volume! Oops! Gah! Why would you wake me up? Blame her! Gah! Thank you! Give us the green monster! He's my toy! It's time for a swap! Fine! Here you go, blackmailer! Pika swap! Pika! Let's fix you up, sweetie! I don't know what's what! What tool do I use? What do I do about it? Nancy, help! Game over! So, Nancy? Stop playing! All right. Where do we start off? Checkmate! Wanna give me a hand? Totally! For starters, you need to get rid of this coal. It's not easy. Here's a thought. Do your signature scream. We need to apply patches on all the wounds. But how do we get a hold of green fabric? I know! You are a mastermind! The cushion made a great donor. He's so dirty! No biggie, I got a bath. The key is to be generous with detergent. The more the merrier. That's it! More! Wash away all your filth, my green friend. You'll be squeaky clean. Jumbo Josh, you're glowing. Green brain is not back in the game. What else do you need? My monster serum. It did the trick. You are a genius. I know. And this is my genius dance. That's it. Let's go look for another toy. Say Pika! Here comes a witness. Hey, have you seen this bird? Nope. Intel in exchange for a toy. Pika! Pika! That's it. I'm off. Where are we? Here he is. I'm not breathing a word. Saw that? Grab him. Where's Banbalina? Don't have the slightest clue. He's not speaking. Not Pink. Let go. Fine. Here's your toy. Oh no! Poor Banbalina. She has been through a lot. I know the drill. Oh no! Nancy is playing again. How do I save you, baby? I'm in it all alone. Fine, I cave. Shh! You'll scare away all of my enthusiasm. It's gonna tank. Gotta get the brain out. A neat incision. There is an intricate injury. Will she make it? I don't know. The brain is still alive. Let's put it in saline. What do we do about the body? Nothing. It's already dead. Poor Banbalina. Get over this junk. I have a new body for Banbalina. It's a Barbie. For now, we'll pimp up this toy, cleaning up the excess. That gorgeous hair, too. That's drastic. Get ready for your greatest glow-up, doll. That spacesuit looks good. Unfolding fabric. Mark and cut out the right silhouette. This is so interesting. This level is hard to pass. That's it! Opila Bird! Gotta take this chance! Excuse me, miss. Who do you think you are? You're the reason I lost! I'm the updated Banbalina, version 2.0. Let's add bows. No! Yes! Don't forget the brain! Let's put the brain back. The final touch. My monster serum. Come on, Banbalina. It worked. No time to dance. This lair is sketchy. An arrow. Another one. Defend yourself. I accept the challenge. Give in, thing. I do. I won! Tell me where Bird is. Right here. Thanks for your help. Where might Banban be? Anywhere. What's buzzing? Why is there a drone? Why is it here? There you are, Birdie. Just try to touch her. You will deal with me. Please, fix my baby Banban! I beg you! Banban! What have you done to him? Come here, baby! I'll fix you! Why is there a hole? This? It's my dog! Drop it! This is no toy! Let go of it! Poor thing! Why are these marker drawings? This? My sister had an urge to give Banban a few tats. Why is there slime? Slime? It's easy. Aliens abducted him, but they returned him. Got it. In that case, get to work. like he'll be on the mend soon. Adding some red paint. Banban looks brand new. You are angels. My monster serum is missing. Bye, Banban. It worked. Now I can go home to my kids. Birdie, you will be missed. You'll be missed too, Bessie. Catch you later, Opila Bird. Fly. At this point, my game is over. Bye, you all. I have a better idea. Where do I begin? There's a lot to work on. I'll give you a hand. I'll be a toy surgeon. And I'm a beautician and a makeup artist. Where's the patient? Take it easy. I'll heal you in no time. Yeah, the arm is in a terrible condition, but it's fixable. First off, let's get rid of the dirty clothes. This jumpsuit is beyond repair. Ruined outfit is up for recycling. Don't worry, you are in good hands. Gauze. That's enough. Applying a bandage. Now I'll set the joint back in place. Done! And attach the arm. Now it can recover. I wonder how long toy injuries take to heal. I think that's it. Let's take the bandage off. Be patient. We're almost there. Yay! My arm is healthy again. You're a great patient. Take care. My job is done here. Nancy takes it on from here. Nancy, take care of the patient. I'd love to. You are in for a full glow-up, doll. Let's clean all the dirt first. Now we'll add the moisturizing and nourishing serum. Let's leave the mask on for 20 minutes, and in the meantime, I'll take care of your hair. I can get rid of the gum. Cutting is the way to go. My hair! Don't be scared. I'll just remove the gum. Finally! Taking off the mask. Next up, bath time. Colin, this doll really needs a shower. You're right. I have a shower stall ready. A hot shower. Colin, no peeking. Who's singing? It sounds just like Billie Eilish. It's coming from the shower. This doll was born to be a singer. Guys, listen. It feels like we are at a Billie Eilish concert. So sick. I used up all the hot water. That's great. Your concert was awesome. Now let's find an outfit for you. A princess? No. A rebel? Nope. All right, I've got another idea. Pretty edgy, but you'll love it anyway. Let's start with the hair. Brushing and trimming. Done! Oh no! My beautiful hair! Don't worry, we're still gonna dye it. Perfect shade. Thoroughly applying the dye to the roots and all over the hair. Let's wrap the curls in foil and wait. 3, 4, 5. Time to remove the foil. It turned out even better than I expected. Next up, the outfit. A dress, pants, shoes, a t-shirt, and accessories. Done! Wow! I'd love to go to her concert. Same here. Check out the end result. Wow! Yep, she's the spitting image of Billie Eilish. And she needs a stage. The party's starting. Billie is singing just for us. Wow! Did you fix my doll? I want to take a pic. With me? Absolutely! No way! With Billie Eilish! Knock yourself out! So cool! This is for your work. A bag of candy? Pretty decent. Bye! I'm exhausted. The task was challenging. We need a breather. Have some fresh air outside. What is it? This poor little toy is looking for a foster family. Looks so sad. Let's help it. Poor thing. Be patient. The glasses have to go. First off, remove the weird green slime. How did you get so dirty? This sweater should go away ASAP. Ew! How come all these bugs are here? We need to get rid of them right now. You don't belong in here. How could one small toy possibly have so much junk? But I'm not a quitter. I'll clean it all up. Oh no! The patient is injured. The wound must be treated immediately. Disinfecting first. Now it's okay to close up. Oh no! Not a surgery! I feel sick. Don't worry. I'll be neat. There won't be a trace left. That's it. Like nothing happened. You finally look like a duck. All we gotta do is to wash you well. Colin, get a hot bath ready for the patient. The bath is at your disposal. There must be a lot of foam. The duck hasn't seen a bath in ages. The bath is ready. Bring the duck in. We'll doll you up now. Let's wash away all the dirt. In order to keep Lala Banban entertained, a squad of rubber duck sisters is here for her. A sweet-smelling foam bath is the best thing ever. Now we'll dry you. She is so adorable. Let's start with the head feathers. Ready! What outfit is right for you? What about blue and yellow? It's the trend of the year. It'll look good on you. Don't you agree? I bet you do. Let's try it on. How do you feel about it? No? Why though? I don't get it. I need your help. This duck doesn't like anything. There's nothing she's happy with. I think I know a way out. Lala Banban, you need a hand. I'll help you make your life full of joy. This will require a tiny little surgery. I'll give you general anesthesia first. This dose will do the trick. You are falling asleep and having wonderful dreams. I'm moving on to the surgery. Scalpel. Tweezers. Now comes the most important part. I'll give you a heart. As of now, you can enjoy your life. The heart fits in perfectly. The surgery was a success. Wake up, Lala Banban. Look how much you have changed. Baby alt girl. Now we can easily pick an outfit for you. A stylish backpack. I almost forgot glasses. You look gorgeous, baby. I believe you can easily find a family now. Break a leg. Ben, let's take a break. Finally, walking's tiring. It's lovely. Ben, charming Lala Banban is looking for a family. Let's keep her. Okay, I can't say no to you. Long day. So busy. Who is this? Poor thing. You have been through a lot. You are so lucky to end up in the right hands. We may help. No, I've got this myself. Let's get started. Slime will make all the mess come off. Ew, icky. Now I'll wipe off sticky dirt. Excellent. Time to touch up the belly paint. Don't be bummed out, Teddy. Your cheeks are about to glow, and paws too. Thoughts? But why aren't you glowing with joy? No wonder. Batteries. Hold on, Bear. What kind of batteries do I need, though? Guys, tell me which batteries are good for the bear. 1, 2, or 3. Comment down below. Ready! There you go. Now you're shining. Julie, Nancy, check it out. Another toy is saved. You are our pride and joy. Stay with us, buddy. We'll throw you a party. Guests are here. I'll get the door. Who's there? Oh, wow! That's crazy! Teletubbies! Your friend is in bad condition. Don't worry, we'll save you. Who is that? Can you still save him? Please! Poor thing! I'll do my best. Hang in there, Poe. You are gonna be fine. Initial exam. The limbs are intact. What are you here for? You can't be here. It's an operating theater. Colin, get them out. Guys, wait outside. Well, let's get started. Back injury. What a disaster. Don't you dare, you nasty worms. You don't belong here. Gross.
Ew.
Any luck? It's the last one. So sensitive. Let's carry on. Getting rid of all foreign objects. The chip has been broken for a long time. Time to get you out of this mess. Done. Nancy, take over the patient. Thank you, Julie. Well, Poe, let's start washing you up. Your cute face will be shining spotless. Now let's clean the ears. Oh, when was the last time you cleaned them? Done! This is my favorite episode! Like it? Sorry to barge in, but we're done! Great! Get ready, Poe! You are getting a new chip in a second! Antenna, pick up the signal! Did it work? Just a moment. Oh, yeah! The belly's as good as new. You want to watch TroomTroom too? Of course. Barbie, will you go out with me? Absolutely. We'll get married and live happily ever after. I'm tired. Gotta go to bed. What happened? Where are we? Don't know. But our house is over there. Home sweet home. It got smaller. It really has. We need a bigger place. Definitely. This is the perfect space for a new home. You are so right. Let's remove all the extra stuff. Ken, I could use some help. Now you can bend your fingers. Couldn't have done it without you. Anytime. I'll move the wardrobe. I'll take the candle away. My outfit isn't cut out for construction. Here's an idea. My sewing machine is always there for me. Also a construction outfit. What are you up to? I sewed a new outfit.
Wow.
Who is it for? Me, duh. I'm trying it on. No, we need more paint. Terrific. Now that's enough. Whatever you say. Oh yeah, I it! Ken, do I look cute? You do! What about an outfit for me? Here, try it on! Fits like a glove! Will you help me clear the room now? Definitely! Wow. I have an idea! A tablet? That's right! We'll take a picture of the room! What's next? Remove the couch in the picture, and it disappears in real life! Time for the closet! And the wardrobe!
Oh, wow!
That's nuts! Erasing the paintings! And a plant! May I give it a shot? I got it! I'll remove this clock! Great! Are you ready? Let's get to it!
Wow.
We've got construction helmets! I can't wait to get started! We need to sketch out a design with this pencil! Real magic! The real magic is about to happen! This is the base for our room! Whoa. Can I draw a picture? Knock yourself out! Thanks! I can build anything! Anything I want! Oh yeah! I'm a construction genius! Ken, what's that? It'd be better if you give me the pencil. Fine. I'll make a frame by myself.
Wow.
A few more pieces. All done. The pencil aced it. Ken, what do you think? Whoa! Barbie, you are on my side. Whatever.
Huh?
Ken, you're on my side now. Go back to yours. We need a wall. Almost done. All I gotta do is tighten the screws. Oh man, the drill died. Hey, need a hand? Oh yeah, I really do. Here you go. A hammer? Well, thanks.
Wow.
Ken, I built it. I'm here. How did you end up here? Piece of cake. There's no wall here. There weren't enough supplies. Whatever. My followers already miss me. Which paint color should I go for? Ken, what do you think? Both are great. One's a way to go.
Oops.
Oh no! My face! My followers will be so scared. I'll patch things up. What face do I go with? That's it. Stay put. Phew! Thanks. I'm back. Which shade of pink is the best? This one will work perfectly. Now I can paint.
Oh. Wow.
Whoa! It worked! It's a pink disaster! Barbie, close your eyes. I have a surprise for you. This pink needs to be less saturated. Done! Open your eyes.
Oh, wow.
Pretty! I like it! But Ken, our house doesn't have a roof. That's right. Do something about it.
Go. Ah.
Which tiles do you like? There's no pink. There you go. Now we have the perfect color. Cool. Let's make a roof. Wow, that's amazing. And the roof is ready. What's that? I know what to do with it. Are you sure? Yup. It's perfect for wall decorating. And windows. Pretty nice. And I made a sign. This room is mine. I want a sign too. Barbie and Ken's place. That's a no-go. Why so? I'll make a new sign for you. Ken's place.
Wow.
Thank you. Just gotta switch places. And change. We're done building. We need furniture. I'm looking for a couple of beds. Here's the delivery guy. That should be enough. Your order. Anyone? Is that a doll? The money's real. All right. My package! So heavy. I'll help. Almost there. Phew, finally. Thanks for the help. Let's see what's inside. A pillow. Just the thing. Are you sure? Definitely. Look. The bed is done. Whoa! I'll also give it a try. It worked. Our house is awesome. I'm crazy about it. Thank you, Ken. This house was built with love.